Hello, this is RICKY, the YouTube Tech Guy. Hey guys, so we finally got our Galaxy Watch in. It has been backordered for a little over a week now. Finally got it in, and this watch is one that I've definitely been looking forward to. Overall, it's a really interesting watch because of the bigger battery. This is about 100 more milliamps compared to the Gear S3. So definitely excited to see how long the battery life can be, and if I can tweak it like I do the Note 9 to make it extend a lot further. The other big thing about this is it got something from the Gear Sport, so you are also going to get 5 ATM in terms of waterproofing. What does that mean? That means you can go 50 meters in water, insane, or 165 feet. So yeah, you don't have to worry about water with this one. Really good when it comes to that, and you have a lot more of the auto training or workouts automatically go off. So let's go ahead and unbox this and see how it goes. And here it is. Now again, this is the 46 millimeter version, so it has the bigger screen and the bigger battery. It also has a 22 millimeter band, whereas the 42 millimeter version has a 20 millimeter band, so just so you know the differences. All right, right away, like how the rubber feels on this one. Let's take these off. Plastic stuff. Feels really good. It doesn't feel that much heavier. I was really worried about the weight of it because of it having such a bigger battery, but it doesn't really feel that much heavier, which is nice. That screen protector is going to be a pain to get off, I just know it. And we're just going to have to do that later. Hold that power button down and turn it on. And what else is in the box? What's in the box? So in here we have the charger that it comes with, although I probably will never use this since I do have the dual charger. And that's it in the box on that side. So this is your charging stuff. And then on this side it's probably the smaller band as well, yes. So you always get a smaller band as well as the bigger band coming with it, which is nice, just so you can swap it out if you need to. So you can see the difference depending on your wrist size. That's very important. And you get that for always on Samsung watches. It's one thing I do like about them. You have the power brick here, and you have your little guide, quick start guide here. So basically the main thing you're gonna need to do is download the Galaxy Wear, I think it's called, app. And that's what you need to do to install it. So yeah, we will get started on that. But I also want to show you the other watch band that I got as well. So when I pre-ordered it, I got a free watch band automatically. So I decided to get this black leather one to really go with this. I thought I got the dark blue, but I might be getting the dark blue anyway, because I don't know if I like the stitching of this one. So this case is being difficult. Let's open it from the bottom. Sometimes the bottom is easier, so try that. And the bottom is a lot easier. Okay, so this is an official Samsung band, but again, the beauty of Samsung is you can go to any watch store and switch this for a 22 millimeter band. It's fairly simple. So I must say I like the rubber a little bit more than the leather. I don't know, because I do like the leather usually for fancier stuff, so I'll see which one I'll keep on. But overall, let me know what you guys think. Should I switch to the leather band or keep the rubber band on? Let me know which one you guys think in the comment section down below. And what videos do you want to see this? Do you want to see this compared to the Apple Watch? Do you want to see this compared to an Android Wear watch or Wear OS watch now? Let me know in the comment section down below. Thank you as always for watching. This has been RICKY, the YouTube Tech Guy. Thank you for watching our video. If you liked it, why don't you go ahead and subscribe up there. Make sure you follow us on social media right here. And of course, check out our latest video up there. And right down here, you're going to find the perfect video for you.
Or at least that's what YouTube tells me. Thanks again.